I'm trying to summon the fairy. Follow me. Greetings, my fairy lady. I've come to request your assistance, for the human world is full of despair and sorrow, and they have lost their way of magic. Would you aid me on this grand adventure?
In the beginning, there was magic. We spoke a language not lost, but forgotten. And the humans, they have lost their way. They have strayed. But we can bring the magic back again. But first, I request a gift, an offering for the goddess of the Fae. Yes, we have accepted.
Let us adventure forth.